windshield, but it didn't bust. And I stopped to see if he was dead, but I couldn't find him, so I went to school. And we learned about the brain. And the turkey chicken bird, I just forgot about him. But he was gone when I come back. He was gone. That black fucking chicken turkey bird. He was, I promise. He was gone. And I tried to pick him up and bury him, but he was gone. But where are we at? Oh, it's the chicken plant. Oh, it's the chicken plant.
No, we're Leach Brothers.
I can't see nothing. I can't open my eyes. If we're at the chicken plant, we can take the turkey bear back. I want to take him to his grave. Have we got to Leslie's house yet?
Not quite.
Why not?
I don't know. Because there's too many black chicken turkey birds.
Fuck them black chicken turkey birds. We ain't gonna hit one tonight. We hit them in the daytime. Where they at?
They're all over the road.
I didn't kill him. I swear he was still fine because I couldn't find him.
We done killed like 3.
No, we have not.
Yeah, we did.
We ate bacon. We didn't eat chicken turkey birds.
They run into a dodge tonight. They died.
But where's they at?
They all over the road.
They're not.
Yeah.
They're in the
Feathers
air.
and all.
I'm serious. They're in the air. The black chicken turkey birds. I'm serious. Look, they got red like a rooster turkey bird. Right here. They had red like a rooster right here. And then he hit my car right there on the windshield. And it hit him. It said, "Sorry, bird." And he flew away, and I couldn't bury him. He wouldn't let me catch him. And then a deer almost hit me in the road. A deer hit me, but it didn't make a scratch.
Was it a turkey deer?
No, it was just a plain old deer. Just a deer. I think it was a girl one. I think it was. I open my eyes and I can see. I can't no more. A deer hit me. I didn't hit him. Her. Yeah, she hit me.
Everything hits you, huh?
Yeah. I didn't hit nothing. I'm for real. It didn't hit me. A girl deer hit me. And
where?
The black chicken turkey bird did hit me.
You told Leslie you was meeting us at Leach Brothers.
I believe you. I believe you.
You would.
Okay then.
It really did.
That's alright. Right.
It really did. It was a black chicken turkey rooster bird in the air.